Hello everybody, my name is Karim. Today I'll be teaching you how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI online robot which you can take by going on Google. ChatGPT is also on every browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Yahoo, and more. ChatGPT is also used for game developers and even fixing computers. ChatGPT is an open AI robot which can almost do every computer problems or solve anything. ChatGPT is also sometimes inserted into into non-lifeless robots to make them with life. ChatGPT is a In short, ChatGPT is a very big internet which is connected with a lot of users. Now I'm going to tell you about ChatGPT. First, we'll take a new open guest profile. You have to search ChatGPT. ChatGPT first. For ChatGPT, you have to open this. Introducing ChatGPT OpenAI. ChatGPT is also a software. So ChatGPT can also be installed on computers. ChatGPT is very popular that it's almost promoted by all phone brands, and it's also available on like Samsung and iPhones and more. This is the ChatGPT 4o Mini. ChatGPT 4o Mini is just a junior version of 4.0. It can summarize text code, make a plan, and more things. ChatGPT, if you tell anything to ChatGPT like, tomorrow I am not going to the to school. You can say that. So ChatGPT is now did this. Now if we one second. Now if we go here, so if we do that to a signed in user, then we can. Let me show you on my own personalized desktop. Okay. Now what can I help with? Now I'll write message ChatGPT that I'll write that I'm not going to school tomorrow. Not going school tomorrow. So ChatGPT will put it into its memory. Will put manage memories. Will provide feedback soon after clarifying the question. But they are not going to school tomorrow. They'll even write the date. We can even clear ChatGPT's all memories like this. Some people also use ChatGPT a lot. They use it to make codes and all stuffs. ChatGPT I can even correct text. Like I'll show you. Please correct. No. It corrected this sentence. I'm not going to school tomorrow. Now this will come under screaming in computer purposes, and ChatGPT made it into a very polite sentence. I'm not going to school tomorrow. Full stop. ChatGPT is also used to summarize text paragraphs and a lot. Thank you. That's it for today. Goodbye.